check it. We're diving in this scene. Automate the game, keep your comments clean. Facebook ads, got the filters on lock. ChatGPT is the key, we're about to rock. Block. New comment drops, we check if it's spam. Jam. If it is, it's gone, like it's part of a scam. Slam. But if it's real, we reply in style. Save the data to sheets, yeah, we're going the extra mile. Filter reply, save it to the sheets. Automate the workflow, feel beats. Facebook ads, keeping spam free. Pabbly connect, and ChatGPT is the key. See, running ads on Facebook, getting comments fast. We need to sort the good from the bad, make it last. Using Pabbly Connect, the integration's tight. Light trigger when it happens, do it day and night. Connect your Facebook, get the page linked up. And minute access needed, no need to bluff. Tough. Post a comment, get it processed quick, slick. Map it to the flow, automation slick trick. So reply, save it to the sheets. Automate the workflow, feel beats. Facebook ads, keep them spam free. Pabbly Connect, and ChatGPT is the key. See, spam detected, delete it right away. Genuine comments, got replies to say. Details in the sheets, keeping track of it all. Call this automation flow, it's the future, y'all. Stall. Lure steps in, branches out the way. Stay genuine or spam, we know what to say. Display conditionally run, keep a workflow clean. This automation process is a digital dream. Stream API connected, prompts all set. ChatGPT answers, no need to fret. Next, create your free account, start to integrate late. Pabbly Connect, ChatGPT, we dominate. State reply, send it to the sheets. Automate the workflow, feel